it is time to invest in yourself. Now, most of the time I see if you have to get your child to a tuition classes or extra classes or sports classes, you readily take out 50,000 rupees for that. If you have to buy a gift for your spouse, you readily take out some money for them. But if you have to invest in yourself, we are all sacrifice ki murti. We don't invest in ourselves. If you have to buy a laptop for yourself, a watch for yourself, you don't spend on yourself. You don't invest in yourself. And learnings is a huge investment because it reflects into your family, into everything that you do. So make sure that you invest in yourself. Give yourself a priority. Give your dreams and aspirations a priority. Okay. So are you in the right environment for your growth, for your learnings right now? Can you do whatever we did in these 5 days all by yourself, or do you need a mentor guide to handhold you? Ask that question to yourself. Right? And how can you get going even if you don't, without spending a fortune? There are people who are charging in lakhs and still not giving you what you go for. So you have to ask yourself, I don't have money, you have to ask, how can I afford this? Right? So you don't have to be great to start. You simply start and be great. Greatness is a journey. You become great in the process. I never knew that whatever I am today, I never imagined in my life that this is what the kind of life I would be living. For me, life was all about hammali karna, mehnat, from morning till evening, just, doing work for others. Never living for, I didn't even know what it meant for living for myself. And my first guru, my husband, showed me that there is a beautiful aspect to life. Whatever I am today is because of him, because he's the only one who valued what I had and gave me the freedom to explore myself. They're my children, my family, my husband. They are a huge support for me to do whatever I am doing right now. Without them, I cannot do what I am doing right now, right? So it requires a lot of other things to be able to be successful in life, right? So most of the problem, why people struggle financially, solopreneurs, freelancers, business owners, SME business owners, you know what? They invest $1 and they are trying to make $1.50. So they're investing 100 rupees and trying to make 150 rupees. That is why all the time cash flow issues, different issues, struggling always with money. People with 10 years, 20 years, 30 years in business, I see struggling with money. Because earning money and growing your money are two different aspects. An entrepreneur, ek ka panch. Entrepreneur knows how to make ek ka panch. So they have not only made ek ka panch, they start giving franchises also. This is called ek ka panch. Sahi mein ek ka panch, right? So I'm here to teach you how to make ek ka panch. A chai businessman, okay, is making anywhere from 50,000 to 2 lakh in a month. But a chai entrepreneur is making 130 crores revenue, right? So what is it that they do differently, right? They know the difference between investment and expense. Right? There are 80%. See, I was in that 80%. I didn't know what life is all about. Then across my 24 years of professional life, I have shifted to 20% people in the world. And I'm very close to being in the top 4% people in the world. Okay? 20% is 4% people in the world. So majority of us stay in the 80% because we don't understand the difference between investment and expense. And most of the people are using conventional play, risk-free game khelenge, risk-free. Calculated risk leke kaam karenge, so you stay in the conventional 80%. But if you are willing to work with crazy and creative ideas, ready to explore, go on an adventure in this online world, it's time to shift into that 20%. And become an entrepreneur in its true essence.